special thanks to Playmates Toys for sending these products to us for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide, where we take a look at what's on the shelves so you can decide if it's a buy or a pass. Today, we are taking a look at Billie Eilish dolls. We have the Billie Eilish Live Los Angeles, California doll and the Billie Eilish When the Party's Over figure. Both of these dolls arrive at Target this week. The Billie Eilish When the Party's Over is a 6-inch collectible figure. We can get a little sneak peek right there. It is fully posable and comes with a diorama display. In the top corner, it says Music Video Series. There is a large grayscale illustration. The box is chipboard with black and green details. On the back, we can see a picture of the setup, and on the side it says, Relive your favorite Billie Eilish music video moment. 6-inch collectible figure, highly detailed, fully posable. Eco-friendly package transforms into diorama display, including chair, table, and drinking glass that brings figure to life. From what I've seen so far, I think the Billie Eilish doll line is a really cool idea. It allows fans to connect with something tangible from their favorite musical artist. And I am all for that recycling. On the side of the box, it says, Open carefully, keep package to create your display. So I am carefully removing the tape. I messed up my box. Now let's open it. Ooh, fancy. We have a few paper products here. Feels like it's made out of a heavyweight paperboard or like a chipboard with a printed side. Remove the egg carton because that's where we'll find the doll, or should I say action figure. Untie it in the back, then remove the figure, remove the plastic bag, and the unboxing is done. There is a little tiny cup rubber band onto the side. Oops, that's pretty cool. Before we take a look at the action figure, let's go ahead and set this up. So I do believe this folds back like so. This side folds back as well. Then this goes over. Oh, wait, that goes in like that. And yeah. And voila! Have I ever mentioned how I enjoy the reusable packaging? I do have a few glue spots, but I'm not going to be picky. Because if we put this inside of here for a little extra weight, then open this and remove what's inside, we have very little waste from the packaging. And we can put a light inside to make our display glow. That could look really cool on a shelf. Just throwing that out there. There are instructions on how to assemble the furniture. That's upside down. There we go. Assembly appears to be pretty straightforward. It's just a really cool little box. Yeah, this isn't difficult. Done. The figure has a nice amount of articulation, and her shirt is kind of rubbery, making it pretty easy to position her while sitting, and it doesn't seem to restrict her range of motion. Under the shirt, the body is white, and there are some black details at the top. The sleeves are solid, and the arm is attached to the sleeve. The pants and shoes are all white, with some black details. The black details look like a digital print. The same method appears to have been used on the face. She has sculpted hair and sculpted and painted on jewelry. This doll has dark blue hair. It does hang down in the back. There is movement at the neck, the shoulder, the elbow does bend. There you go. The wrist, the upper chest, the waist, knee, we got a double joint there, and at the ankle. One hand is curled to hold the glass. Then position the figure on the chair for a 3D diorama to display of the music video. I think that is pretty cool. The 6-inch collectible When the Party's Over Billie Eilish figure has a suggested retail price of $19.99, $24.99 in Canada. Up next, we have the Billie Eilish Live in Los Angeles Fashion Doll Concert Series. There's a peekaboo window, a code you can scan to see how the package transforms. Inside, we will find a 10.5-inch fashion doll that is fully posable and a diorama display. On the back, there are pictures of the doll on the display. On the side, it says, "Relive your favorite Billie Eilish live concert moments." 10.5-inch collectible fashion doll, highly detailed, fully posable, dressed in her iconic green t-shirt and shorts. Eco-friendly packaging transforms into diorama display. Doll stand, microphone, and necklace included. Ooh, so we're getting a few accessories with this one. And we still have to remember to open carefully. The packaging says to recycle the tray and keep the display, but I like having the option of packing the doll back in here safely, so I hang on to it. But I do love how easy it is to unbox these dolls. I put a small light in the cutout and it's definitely giving off some concert vibes, but it's totally blinding me. But I really like the idea of turning that into a light, so we're gonna put a pin in that and come back to it later. Because right now, we have a doll to unbox. Untie it in the back, and she's free! We also find a doll stand and some instructions inside the box, and a small black microphone. Assemble the doll stand, which is adjustable and fits around the waist. There is totally enough room to hide it under her clothes. Then give her the included necklace and the microphone, and she's ready to go live in Los Angeles. This doll has black hair with bright green hair rooted on top. The hair is parted down the middle and worn in 2 buns. There is black hair coming down on the sides and the front. There is some product in it, so they are a little crunchy. This doll has really light colored eyes, and it looks like she's looking up. The doll wears a green t-shirt with Billie on the front in black and matching green high-waisted shorts with an elastic waistband. The top and the bottom are 2 separate pieces, and the top velcros in the back. There is green leg paint on the shins, green socks, and check out the articulation at the ankle. And the doll has green shoes with green painted details. They are split in the back to make them easier to get on, and I think these look pretty cool. This doll is fully posable with a large range of motion going back and forth. The head can turn from side to side. Can it tilt? Not really. There is movement at the shoulder. Got a nice little rotation there. Then we can bend at the arm and move at the wrist. And that arm joint is really nice. There is a joint at the waist. Then they can move at the hip and bend at the knee. And we already saw that there is a joint at the ankle as well. You know me, I love an articulated doll, and this one definitely delivers. In my opinion, if it had articulation at the upper thigh, the upper arm, and right under the chest, it would be perfect. And be able to tilt the head from side to side. With a suggested retail price of $29.99 in the US and $39.99 in Canada, I think we are getting a good doll with good articulation, well-made fashion, although I am having a little bit of difficulty with the placement of the necklace, and that could just be me. We get a doll stand, a microphone, and reusable packaging that turns into a display. Yay, planet. And I like how they're giving us miniature enthusiast options. We got one 12 scale and one 6 scale. Overall, as a person who loves dolls and toys, I am totally digging this line. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few Billie Eilish collectibles. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time.